Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to give you some cleaning motivation. A little bit in the kitchen, a little bit in the bathroom, some laundry, and our home will look like new.
Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine, but I get up, I always do.
Cleaning the stovetop is a never-ending task if in your home you cook a lot. You can see how bad mine got. It's full of crumbs, spills, grease, food residue, and some tough burnt-on food stains. First I remove the racks, the burner caps, and the knobs and spray them with a degreaser. I remove the debris with a paper towel. Then I spray the degreaser on the stovetop and backsplash too. Then I wash all those parts with dish soap and powder detergent. Today I want to send you a message. My message is that if you feel overwhelmed, if you feel that you are not good enough, that you are left behind with household chores, you've got this. You are not alone. I am here with you to cheer you up, to uplift you, to understand you, and hopefully give you the motivation and support that you need. You do enough and you are enough. I know that it seems that everyone else has got it together, but that's not truth. We all have struggles, problems. We all feel overwhelmed sometimes. You are not alone. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and taking time of your busy day to watch my video.
I see you in the corner. You got all the right.
While everything is drying, I scrub thoroughly the stovetop and the backsplash. First I use my glass scraper to remove the burnt-on food stains and grease. You need this little tool if you don't have it. It works so well. It doesn't scratch at all and you can scrub all kinds of glass or tiles with it. You must use it before applying cleaning agents, and it also removes residues of stickers. Then I scrub with a sponge and I use the same sponge to rinse. A Veleda sponge cloth that is very absorbent, then buff it dry with a microfiber cloth. For those hard to reach spots, I use a butter knife, and to shine everything, I use some glass cleaner.
What you're saying, it's a different game, but you remain the same all along. Take a look, what a harmless, tender and mild, what an innocent child. But deep down under the surface, under the ground, lies a different.
When you feel overwhelmed, you feel that you have too many things to do, too many spots to clean, prioritize. Prioritizing will help you accomplish first what is urgent. This way you will be less stressed out and you will feel you've got this. Prioritize what works well for you and what helps you function in a productive way. At the end of the day, you will feel you did what needed to be done.
Take a look, what a harmless smile. Oh, deep inside, it's deep inside,
On my channel, I make content about cleaning, organizing, decor, hacks, the day-to-day homemaking. I hope you will stick around. Now my stovetop area is sparkling clean. No more grease, crumbs or burnt-on food. So shiny! The next day I put back the knobs, the burner caps and the racks. No matter how clean your kitchen is, if you have a dirty stovetop, will make it look filthy. Next on my list are my makeup brushes and sponge. They are dirty and in need of a good clean. I use the most simple way to clean them. I put some soap on a plate and use the palm of my hand. To dry the brushes, I take a towel and fold an end like this, so there's a raised part and I can lay down the brushes with the handle up so they can dry correctly. You don't want water to ruin your brushes. I rinse every brush with warm water, then dip it into the soap and swirl it in the palm of my hand. Then rinse it thoroughly. I take some soap and clean the handle of the brush too. When I rinse them, I carefully squeeze out the water. Don't pull on the bristles, only squeeze lightly to make sure all the soap and water is removed. Reshape your brushes before setting out to dry. Use your fingers to shape the wet brush hairs to its original form. Once they are dry, they may need an extra little bit of fluffing too. Here I'm cleaning the holder too and then the beauty blender. I gently squeeze the sponge under running water until it's fully wet. I dip it into the soap or apply some soap on it and rub, squeeze and rinse until the sponge is clean. I let them dry until the next day, so I'm sure they are completely dry. My bathroom sink was already dirty and now, after I cleaned my makeup brushes in here, it's even dirtier. First I fill up my soap container, then spray a bathroom foam cleaner and let it sit a few minutes. Scrub thoroughly with a bathroom cleaner sponge is the next step. After I rinse everything, I spray a stainless steel product on the faucet and let it sit. Then scrub, rinse and buff it dry. Cleaning the furniture around the sink is a must, so this is what I'm doing next. I shine everything and put back the items. Once you're done watching this video, be sure to check out my cleaning motivation playlist. There you can find more videos like this. Everything is so clean and shiny, spotless. You can see there are no more watermarks on the tiles, no more gunk and grime, bacteria and germ-free. Next I will wash 2 pillows. First I spray some degreaser on those yellow stains. Over the years I learned that the degreaser works better than a stain remover on the clothes or any piece of laundry. You can see that where I spray, the yellow stains are getting more noticeable. Those yellow spots are caused by sweat, saliva, body oils, moisture, when you sleep with damp hair, makeup or skin products that travel throughout the pillowcase into the pillow. For a good night's sleep, you have to clean your pillows regularly. Make sure you always check the tags for the way you should wash your pillows. Don't use fabric softeners because they will make your pillows flat. I let the degreaser sit a few minutes, then wash them at a delicate cycle with some liquid laundry detergent and add 1 measure of this chlorine-free booster for white laundry that revives the whiteness, and it's a stain remover too. You can see my pillows are so clean and so white. I put them to dry outside all day long. Then in the evening I put them into the dryer to help them get all the fluffiness, especially by adding some dryer balls in that will break the clumps too. The last thing on my list is a load of laundry. I will wash whites and use Persil powder detergent, that white laundry booster and Lenore Love softener. Today is a sunny day, so I will put them out to dry. Sunlight is a natural whitener and disinfectant, so it can do wonders for your whites. Please let me know in the comments below what you are cleaning today. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!